Where to stay in Baguio City na di masyadong mahal at malapit lang sa mga tourist attractions? Hello locals, this is Soto Grande Hotel. May swimming pool, fitness center, sauna, and nice restaurant na may pa-live acoustic band during Friday and Saturday nights. Plus, may rooftop sila na ma-enjoy mo ang panoramic view of Baguio City. Magandang location to kasi easily accessible yung place nila. Malapit lang din sa mga kilalang tourist spots. About the room naman, malaki at maganda yung beds. Malinis, may bathtub, air-condition yung room, free wifi, may terrace din sila. Refrigerator, locker, complimentary toiletries, coffee, water, and tea. Plus, if you book through Klook using local Klook code, you will get extra discount na 5% pa. The room rates naman for as low as 3,400. I love their lobby and reception area nila, nakaka-relax. And guess what? Super sulit ang breakfast nila dito. And super nice din ang merienda buffet, which more details will be shown in my next video. Have a safe trip locals. Don't forget to follow us for more updates and tips.